Today, I'm attempting something I've never done before. I'm going to try driving for 24 hours straight. No sleep, no real breaks, just me and the road. Honestly, this might be the dumbest idea I've ever had. And trust me, something happened that I really didn't expect. I wanted to test myself and see how far I could go without stopping. I was mentally and physically prepared. I thought nothing would stop me. I woke up at 6 in the morning, checked the tires, and packed snacks and energy drinks. Everything was perfect. You know that feeling before a long trip? That excitement? Yeah, I felt that way. I was so excited about this trip. I didn't feel challenged at all. I remember thinking, like, 24 hours, that'll be easy. Looking back now, that confidence was a mistake. After inspecting the car, I started noticing something strange, a slight vibration, a peculiar noise. Nothing serious, but enough to make me suspicious. At first, I ignored it. I told myself it was probably nothing, but the more I looked closely, the worse it seemed. The steering wasn't smooth anymore. The noise got louder, and that's when my enthusiasm gradually turned to anxiety. Because driving for 24 hours is one thing, but driving a broken down car is extremely dangerous.
المحاربة هذه طب
So I pulled over to check the car, and yeah, something was definitely wrong. At that moment, I realized I had two choices: be stupid and keep going, or be smart and stop. And honestly, no challenge is worth risking your life. I'm not gonna lie, I was disappointed. I really wanted to complete this. I prepared for days, woke up early, planned everything. And before the real challenge even started, the car said, nope, but this isn't the end. This challenge is not canceled, it's just delayed. I'm fixing the car, making sure everything is perfect, and then I'm coming back to do the full 24 hours the right way. No excuses. So if you want to see me actually survive 24 hours of nonstop driving, make sure you subscribe because next time we're finishing this challenge for real.